I'm going to teach you 7 freestyle soccer tricks that you can do while you're juggling to impress your friends, but also just to impress yourself and to build your confidence and improve your own game. Let's get into the video. Freestyle skill number 1 we're learning today is the Ronaldinho Flick Up. All we're doing is planting our standing leg, using the sole of our opposite foot to run across the ball and smack it against the inside of the opposite standing leg, and the ball is going to pop up and you start juggling just like this. Here we go again. Watch how with my right foot I come and cross over my left foot completely, and then the ball pops straight up in the air. All right, if you hit it just right, it should get that nice side spin and pop up right in front of you. And you just start juggling. Focus on your balance, focus on your technique. Hitting it with the underside of your right foot, rolling it kind of powerfully over your left foot, and it should pop right up. Rolling the ball across my body, left foot stops it, pops it up in the air. From there, you've skillfully gotten the ball up in the air and started it, and you can start doing any of the next tricks we're about to get into. All right, now we're going to move into 2 variations of the around the world. First, we're going to focus on the inside around the world, and then we're going to do the outside around the world. All right, for the inside around the world, I'm gently tapping the ball to the inside of my body, and then I'm bringing my foot essentially around it by going outside first, like this. It's a subtle, gentle tap inside and swing your leg around it. The trick here is to not hit it up in the air and then try to wrap your foot around it, because that's essentially 2 different motions. Do it in a single swift motion. Once you tap it inside, quickly move your leg around the ball and retrieve it. All right, that's how it's done. Now let's move on to the outside around the world. Same but different. I'm tapping the ball, the small part of my outside foot, wrap my foot around the ball, going inside to outside. Again, the trick here is to make it 1 movement or motion instead of 2. You don't want to tap the ball up and then move your foot. The instant you tap that ball to the outside, get your foot around. You want it to have some spin on it. You don't want to go straight up in the air. Yeah, that's all there is to it. That's the around the world, inside and outside. If you're just beginning that trick, start it from a foot stall, and then do around the world. Might be easier than starting it right off the juggle. Go inside, go outside, boom. You mastered the around the world. You're ready to hop the world. All right, next up, hop the world. I like to start it from a foot stall. On my right foot, I'm gonna toss the ball up around my waist area. Don't want it too high, don't want it too low, because you're gonna pull your left foot around it this way and then retrieve it with my left foot. So once I throw it up from the foot stall, I'm gonna jump off my standing foot, my left leg. Watch this. So start from a foot stall. Once I release the ball up in the air around my waist, I'm gonna jump off of my left leg, pull it over the ball, and then retrieve it with my left leg at the same time. All right, once you've mastered the hop the world from the foot stall, you can practice it while juggling. I'm gonna hit the ball up with my left, go around it with my right, retrieve it with my right. Trick with this one is timing and speed. Timing, you want to time that jump. Right as you tap the ball up with your foot, you have to jump off the standing foot. Get a good jump, get a strong jump. Second important thing is foot speed. Just practice getting that leg up and over the ball. Boom, boom, boom. Practice your jumps. Those are the two big things with Hop the World. Timing, foot speed. Practice it. Give yourself a week. You'll master it in no time. All right, let's move on to one of my favorite tricks. This is the crossover. Juggling. Simple, but very cool move. So I'm gonna hit the ball up with my right. I'm then gonna push off the ground with my right foot. And as I do, I'm gonna bring my left foot over it and retrieve it with my right foot. It's 2 touches with the same foot. You're also doing a crossover with the foot that doesn't touch the ball, just like this. Absolutely love it. My favorite trick. Only trick to the crossover. You want to give yourself a nice touch to work with. Keep it right in front of you. Not too high, not too low, about waist level again. As it comes down, jump up, cross over, and retrieve it with the same foot that you kicked it up with. With this one, it's important not to jump until you see the ball falling back down. Watch it again. So I kicked it up around my waist, maybe even a little bit higher than my waist. I waited until it was on the descent, and then I jumped up, did the trick. That's all there is to it. All right, let's move on to the toe bounce. The toe bounce trick is very similar to a crossover, but instead of jumping in the air, keep our right foot planted, bring that left foot over the ball, let the ball hit the top of our right foot, bounce right back up to us. For this trick, you want to get some nice backspin on the ball, so when it hits your toe, it doesn't go forward, it comes right back to you, pops right up, and you can continue juggling. And actually, watch the timing of this trick. First, I put the backspin on the ball, let it come down. It actually hits my toe on my right foot prior to me bringing my left foot over it. See that? Timing again, very important with this skill. All right, once you master the toe bounce, you're ready for the reverse toe bounce. Unlike the toe bounce where we are hitting the ball up straight in front of us, for the reverse toe bounce, we need to move it to our side and then go after it. Watch and learn. I'm hitting it to my left, and I'm stepping over it with my left, and making sure it hits my right foot. So tap it to the side of your body, and then move your feet to retrieve it. Make sure you get your body under the ball after you move your feet. So once it hits the right foot, pops right back up for you. You can keep juggling. And that's all there is to it. That's the reverse toe bounce. All right, guys, that's the end of today's video. If you want to see more freestyle, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.